Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Lisa, your virtual wedding friend, here to help and plan your big day without losing your mind. Today we are talking about something very important. Things you don't want to forget on your wedding day. Because trust me, even the most organized brides and grooms can forget the basics in the house of getting married. Let's make sure that doesn't happen to you. Grab a pen or screenshot that, and here we go. First of all, things might go wrong, and it is okay. That's just how events work, believe me. Important is that you come prepared. So, first of all, have a printed or digital list of all your vendors and their phone numbers. Florist, photographer, makeup artist, DJ, catering, transportation, everything you might need. Also add emergency contacts like your parents or maid of honor, especially if they're handling logistics. But of course, don't be the one making calls while you are in the makeup chair. Give that list to someone you trust and let them handle it. Second, don't forget to pack an emergency kit for your big day. And here what I always recommend having on hand. Safety pins, blotting paper, tissues, stain remover, mints, painkillers, band-aids, fashion tape, a mini sewing kit, and yes, deodorant. Put it all in a little pouch and give it to your maid of honor or planner. You won't regret it. Another one. Oh, this is such an underrated tip. Remind your future husband to hand off his wallet, phone, and any keys before the ceremony. For example, he could put them in his mom's purse or your coordinator's bag, somewhere safe and accessible. Because those tight suits pockets, not made for bulky wallets or gentle keys during vows and photos. I know this one sounds obvious, but I can't tell you how many couples realize they left the marriage license at home in a different hotel room or in a drawer somewhere. They can't remember actually where. Double check this the night before. Put it in your wedding day emergency kit or give it to your planner, maid of honor, or someone responsible who won't be, sipping mimosas at 9 a.m. You can't legally get married without it, so let's not skip this step, okay? Next tip. Eat something. You might be surprised by how little time you actually have to eat on your wedding day. You are pulled in a million directions. Makeup, hair, photos, emotions, nerves. But skipping meals means feeling dizzy, cranky, or worse, fainting during your vows. So ask someone to pack easy, protein-rich snacks. Think, granola bars, sandwiches, or smoothies. It doesn't have to be fancy, just fuel your body. And yes, drink water too. Champagne doesn't count. I know, those shoes are gorgeous, but if you haven't worn them before the big day, you are asking for blisters. Wear them around the house with socks a few times before the wedding. Or better yet, bring a backup pair, something cute and comfortable for dancing later. It sounds silly, but between the ceremony, photos and guests, you might not even see your partner alone all day. So I recommend you schedule 10 minutes, just the two of you, right after the ceremony or before the reception. Take a deep breath, soak it all in and say, wow, we did it. You'll remember that moment forever. Next one. If you're writing your own vows or planning to give a speech, print it out. Don't rely on your phone. Batteries dies, phones get left behind, so really print a backup copy. And maybe one more, just in case, so that you have 2 copies. Bonus points if it's on a cute paper that you can save as a keepsake. And by the way, if you don't know or you need some support in how to write in a vow or a speech, check out my channel. I have already a video about it for you. Again, seems obvious, but I've seen rings left in hotel safes, forgotten with the best man, or still in the box on the dresser. Triple check who is in charge of the rings and make sure they know when to bring them. Think about comfortable outfit for later. Trust me, after hours of dancing and hugging and sweating and maybe crying a little, you'll want to change. So bring a cute dress or outfit for the after party or even just for the car ride home. The same is true for your partner. Tuxedos are not made for sitting on couch at 2 a.m. And now, finally, this is the most important one. Your mindset. And don't forget to enjoy your day. Seriously, things, as I said, might not go perfect. Timelines shift. Someone might spill red wine and your flower girl will do something unexpected. But you are marrying your favorite person. That's the only thing that really matters. Take it all in. Laugh, cry, hug your people. And it'll go by in a blink. But the joy, the love, the memories, that's what will stay with you. So there you have it, 11 things you don't want to forget on your wedding day. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your bride or groom who needs this reminder. And let me know in the comments which one surprised you the most. Or what would you add to this list? Subscribe if you haven't already. I've got more tips, planning guides and wedding inspiration coming your way. So, and now until next time, take care and happy planning.